You asked how to buy shares of Trigano SA, so here is a short educational walkthrough. Trigano SA is a French maker of recreational vehicles and outdoor leisure products listed on Euronext under the ticker TRI.PA, and this video is for educational purposes only. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before you can purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker TRI.PA to locate the listing. Pick the result that matches Trigano SA to open the asset page. On the stock page, review the basic company summary and the price chart to confirm the listing. Check details such as country, sector, and the TRI.PA ticker to ensure it is the correct asset. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you wish to allocate, then carefully review the order details and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at the next session, and if there are insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Once executed, the new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. If you want to follow the same steps, the eToro link is available in the description.